Hi folks, this is the Handysaw, that's what I've called it, and it's a miniature table saw which is powered by a DeWalt battery. And I showed you the basics of this on a preview video a few weeks ago, and this is basically near enough the finished item. I've called it the Handysaw, and basically what you have is you have a security feature, a safety feature here with a proper switch, which I changed out from the original one because this is a better safety switch. Then you have your fence, which comes off. So when obviously you can use the fence for cutting the wood and measuring, but when you're not using the fence, you can put the fence back on in the groove there like that, and you can seal it so you protect yourself from being cut. So, and you have two latches there to hold down the top. On this side here you have a handle with the wording there, the Handysaw. On the back you have just again the wording, the Handysaw. And on this side here, this is where the battery compartment is, just there, and that piece of wood there is just there for transport reasons. So if I open up this, nothing has changed on the inside, it's still the same. There's that piece of wood there that is for just for when you're traveling, because we don't want that. If that comes loose in some anyway and it falls out, it could damage the battery, and we don't want that. So we have the basics are still the same. Storage area for your tools, and you can store other blades in there as well. And when you're going to a location, you put that in there, seal it up, and you put your fence blade on and you just tighten it there like that, and then you're ready to go. Grab the handle, pick it up, and then off you go, and you're ready. Now the other thing as well is when this is running, because I have put these pads on the bottom. Before I had the pads on, it would vibrate and it would move. But if I activate this now, it's going to be a bit noisy. It's not moving at all. So then to the grips on the underneath of this saw actually helps. One more thing I have to do with this, and I've ordered them, is I want to get a set of tapes, a tape here and a tape there, a tape measure. So when you're using the fence and you want to line up the measurements, you can do that for cutting wood to get some accuracy on it when you're moving it up and down. So I've ordered a couple of tapes that you put on here, and then that will just help me measure when I'm doing cutting to get it straight. So there you go folks, that's the Handysaw.